How to share your Google Form responses to others. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Google Form responses with others. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to open up Google Forms and make sure that you are in the responses section. Now, if you want to share this responses with others, you can see the plus icon over here that says share. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. First, you need to go ahead and enter the email of the person that you want to share the responses with. And once they accept the invitation, they will be able to view all the responses along with the questions in the Google form. Now, this is the one options. Next way to share the responses is you need to simply go ahead and click on View in Sheets. As you can see that this opens in a sheet like this. Now, if you want to share this, you can simply go ahead and click on Share option like here. And from here, you can repeat the same thing. You can add the email of the person that you want to share the response with. And once they have accepted the invitations, they will be able to view the Google Sheets over here. That's it. You now know how to share responses of Google Forms with someone. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.